Hey guys, welcome to PyLearnHub-Community, a Python learning platform for both beginners and developers. This is our website, pylearnhub.pythonanywhere.com. We learn Python, we connect with developers, you join community as a user. So welcome to our Python learning platform. Explore our courses and join our live classes to enhance your Python skill. So I'll be showing you through the Python learning platform, our PyLearnHub-Community. This is the courses. We have Python installation and setup. Every beginners need to know how to install Python and to make use of Python and set up Python on their PC. So you learn how to download Python from the official website, python.org. You run the installer and ensure you add your Python to the path. Verify the installation using the terminal by typing Python version. And you can optionally create and activate a virtual environment for managing project dependency. So you can enroll for courses. We have variables and data types, operation and user inputs, Python installations and conditions, Python loops, sequence and collections, Python functions, Python strings, and file operation. We also have for intermediate courses and both advanced courses. So what can you do with Python? Web development, data science, automation, game development, networking. There are more you can do with Python. So, but this is what we have. We can grow this community together. And we also have the link to download the official website for installing Python. The python.org is embedded in our website. You can download Python. If you already have Python installed, you don't need to download, but you can update your Python. Now, we also have a community. If you have an error code, you can upload, you can create a post, you can like post, you can comment on a post, and you can solve an error, a user post. Now we have a challenge game here. Write a program that counts the number of vowels in a given string. Vowels are defined as the letter A, E, I, O, U, both uppercase and lowercase. The requirement, your program should take a string as input and return the total number of vowels. Ignore spaces and punctuation. Make sure your solution is in case sensitive. Capital letter A as small letter A. This is just a challenge game for the people in the community. So you can create a post, you can like a post, you can comment on a post. So this community is just to bring everyone together, Python developers, so we can connect together and fix Python bugs together, and we can learn more on Python. So we also have, after a user enroll for courses, it will notify our admin that the user enrolled for this course, the username, the email, and as well, a user can submit a task. After you have been given a task by the admin, you come to the website, then you select the course you were given task on, you have enrolled for, you upload your source code, then you write a description, then submit. Our admin will receive a notification, you submit a task, and your task will be reviewed by admin, and then your course will be updated as task completed. Once you enroll for course, you will be under review. Once you submit your task, you'll be under review. When you enroll for course, it will show as enrolled. So let's come together to learn Python together and connect together as developer. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.